Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. The task that I will be discussing today is all about the introduction to project management software, wherein project management softwares are tools or applications designed to assist managers or teams in planning, collaborate, organizing, tracking, and delivering projects effectively. So there are more than 50 project management tools available that we can choose to subscribe, in which each with its own strengths and weaknesses. So some of the project management tools are ProofHub, Basecamp, Monday.com, Wrike, Asana, Notion, ClickUp, Projects, Evernote, etc. So that we have more idea on the introduction of this project management software, I've chosen this Asana to discuss, to give you some introduction about it and how to do the functions. To start with, Asana is an American software company based in San Francisco, wherein it was designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work. It was founded by Dustin Moskovitz and Justin Rosenstein in the year 2008. So we have main features of Asana management software, wherein Asana can be used to create to-do lists for individual tasks, or for a visual or for entire projects. So we can assign tasks to the team members and track their progress. So second is that Asana can be used to create Kanban boards, which are a visual way to track the progress of work. Kanban boards can help teams to see what work is in progress, what work is waiting to be started, and what work is completed. So Asana can also be used to create timeline, which are a way to track the progress of a project over time. Timelines can help teams to see how much work needs to be done and how the work is progressing. So Asana can also be used to generate reports on the progress of the projects. And these reports can help teams to see how much work has been completed, how much time has been spent on each task, and who is responsible for each task. And fifth is that Asana can also be used to communicate with team members about projects. So you can use Asana to send messages, mention team members, and create discussions. Now last is collaboration. Asana can also be used to collaborate with team members on projects. You can use Asana to share files, edit documents, and work on tasks together. So to know more about Asana, we have easy steps on how to use Asana project management software. So these things are the procedures on how we are going to activate this Asana. First is we are going to create the account. We are going to create the project, and then add task, and then assign tasks, and then set due dates, and then track progress. Then we can also communicate with the team members, and then we can share files. So to explore more about the function of this Asana, we can go to the website or to the browser, in our browser, and you just type asana.com. Okay, so after typing this asana.com, you can see a black get started button in here. either on the upper right side corner or lower left side corner. So any of these two, we're going to click it. Okay, so in the easy steps on how to use the Asana project, first is that we are going to create an account. So we can sign up for free account or upgrade version or to premium subscription, but today we are just going to click the choose the free account. So we'll just sign up by using our Google Work account. So I'm going to find my email address in here. I'm going to type, I'm going to click in here. So I'll just wait. Okay, there you go. So next thing that we're going to do is to create a project. So we're done doing the creating an account. Next is we're going to create a project. So we'll find the project in here, in the left side button. You just click this plus button and new project. Create that one. Okay, click that one. Okay, in here we are going to as you can see, there are 3 buttons that we can choose. So we'll try to explore this template. It means that it is a ready-made template that you can use in your project. Okay, so meaning that if you will do an event planning, you can just type, you can just click this event planning. Okay, cross team planning, you can just click anything in here. Ticket tracking. Okay, it's all about customers' feedback or creative request, or the meeting agenda, especially for administrators. Okay, meeting agendas. Okay, stand-up meeting, and also the product launching or stand-up meeting or bug tracking, or customers' feedback, or if you're in the sales department, you can use this one, post sales, customer feedback, sales pipelines, and marketing. HR, it can be in the IT, and then design. You can choose from this ready-made template, but for us, we'll just try to explore this blank project because we can customize it according to our the program of our company. So upon opening that one, upon clicking that one, so it is suggesting that we're going to type the name of our project. So let me just type the one of my project, which is the woodworking. Okay, there you go. Woodworking projects. Okay, there you go. Now below is a privacy. So if you're going to click that one, there are 2 things that you're going to choose. Is either if you like that your members will see whatever you're going to post in here or do in here, you just type public to my workspace, or private. It means that they will just see the message if you will just send it to them. There are 4 in here: list, board, timeline, and calendar. I will be explaining this later. Okay, we can view this later in the function. Okay, we'll just click the continue. Okay, so go to project. Okay, because we can just add task later, because this is the number 3 steps that we're going to do. Okay, you just click that one. Okay, there you go. Here you can see a add task button in here. You just click it, and this is the title. Above is the title, woodworking projects. Write a task name, your specific project, Okay, wooden trophies, wooden championship trophy. Okay, there you go. So in this side we have this assignee. It means that you can assign it to your teammates via email. Okay, so I'm going to choose Maswak Abelia. Okay, and then I'm going to put due date. Okay, he should finish this wooden championship trophy on August 10 because they will be using that on the 11th day. Okay, another task is to design wooden. Okay, okay, let me wood token. Okay, all right, there you go. I'm going to assign it to myself because I'll be the one to do that one, and my due date will be on 7th day because on the 8th day I'm going to only let's say 8th day, that's my due date, 9 because Abelia will finish that, so meaning okay, 10th as well. Okay, there you go, same as Thursday. Okay, so let's go to the board. All right, so following the let's go back to the list. Okay, following the procedures or the steps we already assigned, we can choose the team members we want to allocate the assignment to. So the championship trophy was assigned to Maswa, and then the design wood talking was assigned to me, and then the due date. Okay, that is this the task due date can be entered in here. So next is to track the progress. Okay, the progress that I'm telling is you go to the board. Okay, this is where you're going to write to do. Okay, to do meaning hindi pa nagagawa, it's still going to do. This is ongoing, and then next is finish. Okay, there you go. So if ever Maswak Abelia received the message, okay, received message that he will be doing this one, okay, you can just, and he will start already the project, you will just drag this, okay, to do, from to do to ongoing, like that. Okay, if me also, if I will start to do the design of the wooden tokens, I'm just going to put it there. Okay, so let's see the timeline. Okay, let's explore the timeline. Okay, there you go. It will be finished on the 10th, or use the calendar. Okay, there you go. It's exactly. Now the workflow, you can manage this one. You can access this and can add the task manually. Okay, as you go on. Okay, dashboard, you can see the task by section. You can also see the task by assignee. Okay, and the overtime, and if it's the status, if it's already complete. Okay, so let's go back to this board. Okay, if it's finished, you just move it there. Okay, so let's try if it did transfer. Okay, we'll just do like this. Finish. Okay, wait. Okay, there you go. Dashboard. Okay, that's done already. Finished. Okay, next is we can communicate with our team members. Okay, we can communicate with our team members. Okay, the task that was given to Maswell. Okay, you can type a message. Okay, you can just say, please see attached file for your reference. Attached file, double T, and then file sharing. That's the last one. Okay, from our computer desktop, we can send him the design, this one, the measurement, and then the design. Okay, there you go. Okay, that's it. So you can just move that one. All right, so go back to board if it's done like that. Okay, so that's the basic function of this Asana.com. It's very effective, especially if you are even if you are a jack of all trades who does anything. This is very important. Actually, for me, this is I'm very thankful for this subject because I'm learning a lot.